Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. How are you today? I hope you're well. So I just attempted a painting for some double blooms kind of coming off the side, and it didn't quite work, so we're going to go again. One of the colors was not working, so it was like breaking up. So I spun out the pillow paint, but now I need to add a little bit more. And all right, let me spin that out just a little bit. All right, there we go. Okay, I think that's good. So I have I've drawn up some designs I want to do, blending fluid art, fusing it with macrame. And I need to make, this is the 18 by 24, and so I want to make some blooms for it. I'm going to start off with Liquitex Magenta, and then I have a custom red orange, and then I have, this is a mixture of Gold Bright and 24 karat gold, and we'll be using a black cell activator, though the one I have is not used. I ran out of Australian Floetrol, so it's my other mix, which I'll write down in the description, and it works beautifully, but it will be black oxide. Okie doke. Does anyone else say okie doke? So, how about right here and here? Okay, and now our beautiful orange red. And let me pop those bubbles. Okay, now we have our gold. Just kind of in the center. Don't want a whole lot of that. Now when I spin this out, I don't want it to get all over me, so putting these to the side. Okay, now for one last torching of the bubbles. We'll be using my flower blow dryer on low, upside down. Since these are going to be big, I'm putting a little bit more. And this is my blow dryer. And that's a big bubble. All right, here we go. Okay, it's taking kind of slow to sell up. Well, while we're waiting, let's do the other one. All right. I went down a little too hard with the blowing it out, so we got a little bit of that pillow paint coming up, but it's not really sealing up too much on this one. It is up beautiful here and down there. Let me see if I might have put in too much. No, it's not really doing too good. Don't want the pillow paint up. I'm gonna have to order some more Australian. This was working. This cell mix worked just beautifully the other day. I've never had any problems with it. That kind of breaks up the center also. I'm gonna give it a little more time. Let me see if I can, sometimes if you dab, get some of those paint colors coming up. That's not really doing it though, is it? Okay, I'm just going to let it sit for a minute before we spin this out. Okay. I'm gonna scoot it a little bit. Oh, it's not scooting too well. There, a little bit that way, so it kind of comes this way a little bit. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at the colors. Woo, beautiful. Okay, now these are just so beautiful. I don't want to take one. I was gonna do like halfway off, but I don't think I want to do that. checking. I'm trying to get it more centered. I do see something I need to take care of these little before the paint gets too thin. Sometimes you have to afterwards go with watercolor markers. I have 50 different colors, and it really blends nicely. And you never know there was a white dot there. Wow, this is pretty. I'm not a fan of the whitish, but I'm loving this. Wow, that's gorgeous. I really like it. Whew, I'm in love with it. It's good to be in love with your own work. But I tell you, it doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes I make paintings and they just don't come out. It's usually because of the color combination. That's what the problem usually is. Let me see how much paint is here. I still have to take some of that off. Oh, I don't want to. Want to make a dot there. I'm afraid there's still a little too much paint on. I really don't want to lose any more. And also, as it spreads out, the colors fade. I think that's it for me. Don't want to lose any more. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh my gosh. I'm very happy with this, you guys. I love this color combination. I love bright colors. But you know what? I also like dramatic colors, darker colors too. I'm a girl of many likes. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed as much as I this painting. And please, if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and give me a like. I'm so thankful. I wish you all God's blessings. And I'm going to take you down for a close-up. Okay. God bless you. Until the next time.